Election Commission takes note of alleged poll violations by Prime Minister Modi and Rahul Gandhi. Mallikarjun Kharge writes to Prime Minister Modi, seeks time to explain the Congress manifesto. Rajiv Gandhi scrapped inheritance law to save his property, says Prime Minister Modi. Jairam Ramesh challenges Prime Minister Modi over the wealth redistribution remark. Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav files his nomination from Connaught. Let's take a deeper look into the top developments today. The Election Commission addressed the allegations of the model code violations, a first involving a Prime Minister. Opposition parties accused Prime Minister Modi of delivering a divisive speech in Rajasthan's Banswara. The EC requested BJP's response by April 29th. Additionally, Congress was asked to reply to the complaints against its president Mallikarjun Kharge and leader Rahul Gandhi. BJP has accused Gandhi of making malicious claims in Coimbatore and Kharge of alleging discrimination at the Ram Temple ceremony. The responses are due by 11 a.m. on April 29th. Congress leader Jairam Ramesh has countered Prime Minister Narendra Modi's claim about the wealth redistribution in the party's manifesto. He stated that not a single word hints at it across the 50-page document. Addressing a press conference, Ramesh clarified that inheritance tax isn't a part of their agenda either, pointing out that PM Rajiv Gandhi had abolished it in 1985. He emphasized that the manifesto doesn't mention inheritance tax, refuting the uproar caused by Sam Pitodra's remarks. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge has requested a meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi to clarify the misconceptions about the Congress manifesto's Nyay Patra for 2024 Lok Sabha elections. In a letter, Kharge has emphasized the manifesto's aim to provide justice to various sectors of the society. He expressed willingness to discuss the manifesto's contents directly to ensure accurate understanding. And Kharge also addressed Prime Minister's recent speeches, stating that he is neither shocked or surprised by the language. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has alleged that the former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi abolished the inheritance law to protect his property during a rally in Madhya Pradesh's Morena. Prime Minister Modi claims that when former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi passed away, Rajiv Gandhi eliminated the rule that required a portion of inherited property to be surrendered to the government. Modi also accused the Congress of employing religious appeasement, citing Karnataka's declaration of all Muslims as OBCs. This allegedly led to the loss of reservations for existing OBCs. Samajwadi Party's chief Akhilesh Yadav filed his nomination from Uttar Pradesh's Connaught for the 2024 Lok Sabha elections on April 25th. He was accompanied by leaders like Ram Gopal Yadav. He expressed his gratitude for the support. Yadav stated that contesting from Connaught was the party's sentiment. This decision is followed by party's announcement on April 24th, which replaces Tej Pratap Yadav, Akhilesh's nephew, as the candidate for the same seat just 2 days after his initial declaration.